Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Up and Down Garage Doors channel. Today, we're tackling a common DIY project, replacing your garage door keypad. We'll walk you through a complete guide for a quick and easy installation, so you can regain convenient access to your garage. Maybe your old keypad is worn out, the buttons are sticking, or you simply want to upgrade to a newer model with better features. A new keypad adds convenience and security. First, ensure your new keypad is compatible with your garage door opener. Check the brand and model number of your opener. Most new keypads work with major brands like LiftMaster, Chamberlain, and Genie. You'll need a drill, a screwdriver, and the new keypad kit. The kit usually includes the keypad, mounting screws, and instructions. This is the most important step. There are two common methods, the Learn button and DIP switches. You can use either to program your new pin. Choose a location that's easy to reach but out of direct sunlight and rain. Mount the keypad using the provided screws. Enter your new pin to make sure the door opens and closes properly. For more detailed instructions, including troubleshooting tips, check out our blog post. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more garage door tips and tricks. See you next time.